because my teachers really encourage me.
It can teach me a lot about persevering through, even if stuff is very hard.
Here at Canterbury, we get a lot of support for what we want to do in the future.
At a bigger school, it might be harder to not focus on just one thing, and I feel like I have a lot more opportunities because I've played 3 sports this year. I'm doing the play, I've done thespian competitions.
They can teach you how to do math, and math is really important to build, like roller coasters.
I think my favorite thing about Canterbury is how everybody is so close, and you can, if you need help, like it's right there, like available for you.
If you are experienced, you can succeed on these teams with people that have not played before. And it's kind of like everybody works together to bring each other up and make each other better.
We went on a field trip to a museum and we got to learn a lot of fun facts about explorers.
The best thing about Canterbury is also the thing that I find the hardest to capture. It's the feeling you get when you come on campus. It's the feeling you get when you get to be part of this community. I see it on a daily basis when students earn flag or they're walking the halls and they get to interact with their teachers and their peers.
When you have a community that's so focused on kindness, it really empowers our students to take educational risks. We have students who feel comfortable enough and confident to stand in front of a group of people at Flag to share their accomplishments. We have students who feel empowered to write a Spanish play in Spanish and perform it in front of a group of people. So having our students feel confident because they know that they're genuinely loved, they feel that they can take these educational risks and do wonderful things.
Our students are dreamers. They dream they can change the world, and they believe this because they have the opportunity to design their own educational experience through a student-centered curriculum, student-created activities, college counseling opportunities, leadership opportunities. They are given the tools that they need, and they believe they can do anything.
And we do this by welcoming people from many different walks of life, from many different Christian and non-Christian religious backgrounds, or even no religious background. But undergirding us is this understanding of respect for the dignity of every human being.
Canterbury prepares students for college, but more importantly, we prepare students to live an honorable life and to be responsible stewards in our world. It requires vision, it requires leadership, it requires ambition, but it's always in service to others, and that's the magic of this school.